Welcome back. As you'll have seen from the video title, I'm learning to weld today. So, as you know, if you saw my other RX-7 video, the bodywork needs welding, and I don't know how to weld. So, I figured the best way would be to start with something that didn't matter if it looked good, and I need some more storage in here, so you can just about see it there. I bought some metal to do some, and a welder, to build some shelving out of. So I've got my friend Sky coming over who can weld, who's going to teach me. So we are going to, well, I've cleared the space already. I just need to take down that shelf there and clear up a bit of the mess on the floor. Get the welder set up, and then we are going to start welding. And I'm going to learn, hopefully, and then I can transfer those skills to the RX-7. So, first job, tidy up, get the metal spread out and unpackaged and all of that sort of stuff. Bring the welder in and get that set up as well. And then when Sky gets here, we'll start constructing and see how it goes. it's been a couple of weeks since we did this. There's a couple of things I should point out because I didn't want to do any clips while Sky was here helping me. So the welder that I bought was a MIG and arc welder combined. I bought gas and I didn't buy a regulator because I had a regulator on an old MIG that I'd bought on Facebook Marketplace. However, that regulator is different to the TIG that I bought, meaning that it was useless. So, combined with that, what I also did on Screwfix, I think it was Screwfix? No, Machine Mart. I bought it from Machine Mart. Machine Mart's recommendation, people also bought blah, 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 welding rods, which I assumed would be MIG welding rods, and they weren't. They were arc. So, we arc welded this together. What also happened, let's focus, here we go. So I didn't keep Sky all day. The top's been welded, Sky welded all the tops for me, and then I've got to do the other 3 sides for every single one of these shelves. There we go. Sky is no professional welder, but she's got more experience than me. I did some of these, but we got to a point where I was welding well enough that, yeah, see, look, we did the full welds on the top here, so it's got some structure. But I was welding well enough that I just need to practice. So all of these are structural. Well, I say structural. They're solid enough that we could hang ourselves off them. So they're going to hold some weight, which is nice. So I just need to go through and do all of the other sides, which is what I'm going to do today. Bringing you back in about halfway through. My welds aren't fantastic. That's to be expected. There we go, focus. But I feel like I'm making progress as I go along. Some are better than others. Some I've blown completely through. I think this was one of my better ones, even though it's got a hole in the middle. Maybe it was this one here. In that corner. Yeah, they're not great, but like I said, this is all pretty solid before I started, so it's just a case of me getting my practice in, which I've been doing about halfway through. So I've just got to do the ones on the far side over there, and then the same on the other side, 3 on there, and then we're ready to put some wood in the middle bits and start and tidy up some of the the mess that's over there.
Cold night, dark sky, walking alone tonight. Feel the whirlwind, it sighs, no one by my side. Street lights whisper, shadows dance and play. Heart is heavy, bitter, dreams just slip away. Lonely soul I roam, searching for a sign. Echoes of my home, fading in my mind.
I've done all the welding I needed to do. Welding is not easy. I give it to anybody who does this for a living or just well in general. I need a lot more practice before I go anywhere near this thing. So my plan is to keep going with the shelves, go down the bottom, and then there's a tire rack over here, make one of those, and work my way around. In terms of the actual welds, not fantastic. Some of them were better than others. Welding underneath is not easy. I found that actually a little bit easier than going vertically. I did get this one here, which was fairly nice. Come on, camera. Yeah, there we go. That was one of my better welds. So I just need to practice. That's all it is. That's all welding ever is. Yeah, some of them definitely not great. But, you know, one of my first times welding. And first time arc welding as well. That'll be it for this one. I'll put a clip in once I've filled this full of stuff at the end, and you can see it's nothing spectacular. It's just storage. That's all I need it for. But it was a good opportunity to practice welding, and then, like I say, I'm going to move around the rest of the garage. So feel free to comment how I can improve. I've got to learn. So any constructive criticism will be appreciated. Thank you for watching this video, everyone. Yeah, I'm just going to keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next one.